Quickly and quietly bring water to a boil in minutes from your countertop, desk, or office with the KitchenAid 5-cup electric kettle. The removable base with 360-degree rotation makes it easy to enjoy the perfect tea, hot chocolate, and more just about anywhere. And the spout with removable limescale filter provides a precise pour. Expand your possibilities with the stylish, compact electric kettle, built to perform by KitchenAid.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart 1.7-liter electric kettle. It heats up really fast. It's 1,500 watts of power, and it can go from a minimum of 0.5 liters all the way up to a maximum of 1.7. It's really great because you can heat up your water to use it for French press or even oatmeal, but most importantly, any type of hot beverage. When it's done, you just lift it off the base, take it to where you're going to go to serve, and you bring it back to the base. It's really simple and easy to use. It's all stainless steel. It has a button here that says open. You just press it and the kettle opens. This is really great when you take your kettle to the sink. It's just one-touch operation. Inside, I'm just going to slide this up so you can see it. There's also a filter screen. And the most important part of this kettle is that it has what we call a hidden element. So the element is not directly exposed to the water that you put in the kettle, and that's really great, especially if you have high mineral content water. The minerals will not be attracted to the heating element, so it works really great and really efficiently, and you won't get any mineral buildup inside your kettle. So it's beautifully designed. It's so easy to operate. I'm just going to turn this around so you can see it. When I press it on, it turns blue right here where the water level marker is. So once you turn it on, it only takes minutes for your water to come to a boil. It's so convenient and easy to use. You can use it for hot water in the morning to make your oatmeal, your tea, your hot cocoa, or even if you need a little snack, some ramen soup. There you have it, the Cuisinart Cordless 1.7-liter electric kettle.
Mueller Premium 1500W Electric Kettle with SpeedBoil Tech, 1.8-liter cordless with LED light, borosilicate glass, BPA-free with auto shut-off and boil dry protection. Purest tasting water, superior quality, made with the finest quality borosilicate glass, which lasts a lifetime, 304 stainless steel and PA-free heat-resistant Triton copolyester for the safest, freshest water. A premium long-lasting lid that stays shut when it's supposed to for years to come, unlike the majority of the others on the market. Maximum safety, British Strix thermostat controller, auto shut-off within 30s after the water is fully boiling. Boil dry safety feature where it turns off if it detects there is no water inside. Built with a heat-resistant anti-slip grip handle, no worries of it slipping out of your hands or getting burned while holding it. 100% BPA-free and will not contaminate liquids. Fastest boil, equipped with bright LEDs which indicate the kettle is heating. The Strix controller with Mueller SpeedBoil circuitry will boil the water lightning fast and be ready to use for tea, oatmeal, coffee, pasta and much more. Versatility, completely cordless when off the base, the Mueller Ultra Kettle to Kettle allows you easy and unobstructed pouring. The 360 degrees clear rotational glass body is perfect for precise measuring of water. European engineered, American guarantee 100% 1-year warranty, so you can buy with confidence and boil happily ever after. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.